with enterprise. Now that they are stealing our own commonwealth. So when there's a society where public money will be used for public good, we want the schools to function, we want our hospitals to work. We want a society where a child of nobody can be someone. And that's what we're trying to do. This election, please, go out and vote. This vote is important to the future of your children. It's important for all of us. That is why we're campaigning. Dr. Moore, among those who are campaigning, who do the work, knowing who is right to it. And this election is important to me as well. So you're voting for him, you're voting for me. Yeah. That's the foundation which we're going to start building a new Nigeria, and it's possible. Rest assured, I'm contesting election in this country for the office of the president. Power! You must come out and vote on 25th. Yes. We need that vote. Please come out. Don't start. It's the local government election. The local government election will affect you. I'm going to come and give you money. I'm going to tell you that your vote is for sale. This time around, vote not to be for sale. Please come out and vote. Yes, sir. We are tired of bad government. Yes, sir. We are tired of failure in this country. Yes, sir. That's what we want. Thank you and God bless you. God bless you, sir. One question, sir. I know,
Please help me with the numbers. I'll get this in the phone. 090-400-97209. Okay. You want to see up the guest. Where's Clem? Are you there?
Are you tired of poverty? Yes. Are you tired of hunger? Yes. Are you tired of criminality? Yes. Are you tired of lack of hospital? Yes. Lack of education? Yes. So come on the 21st of February. Our father, our mentor, our leader has said it. You are voting for ADC, you are voting for Dr. Mo, you are voting for Mr. Peter. Because we are going to move the nation forward. Yes. Hello? I have a question, sir. I do. You have a question? Take a question.
Just have two questions.
ABC.
My name is Richard. I've been a strong follower. Like the last election, presidential election, I live in Kubwa. I live in Lugo. I have to go and vote at Kubwa because I live in Kubwa. If I said there, I said 2 days. So what I want to say is this. How are we sure if we vote, our vote will be counted. Because the previous ones, I say pass side 2 days. I know the pain, I know what it took place. If our vote will not be secure, like the previous one, you know, our leader told us we should pipe in that they will do whatever, you understand? So, what is the guarantee that if we go this time, that our vote will be protected and be counted?
Thank you.
That's the problem we started with this one. We went to INEC to protest that the country must go from pulling good to RF. REF this time will not be the same thing. It will be automatic transmission, real time. That's what we protested for.
That's what we voted for.
That's how we voted for.
From the horse's mouth.
Those who not can this vote this time, we cancel. Like this is a country. We must make it work. Our country must be exemplary. We cannot be a country end of Africa and be giant in doing the wrong thing. We want to be giant in doing the right thing.
Yes, sir.
So our IVE work this time because the votes are coming from putting good into it, real time, and